Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Keep for notes step by step. Google Keep is a simple note-taking application that helps you organize ideas, create lists, save reminders, and keep important information accessible across your devices. First, open Google Keep on your computer or mobile device. If you're using a web browser, go to Google Keep and sign in to your Google account if necessary. Once Google Keep opens, you'll see your existing notes or a blank workspace if you're using it for the first time. To create a new note, click the Take a Note field near the top of the screen. Now, type a title for your note. Next, enter the information you want to save in the note area below the title. As you type, Google Keep automatically saves your changes, so there's no need to click a Save button. If you want to create a checklist instead of a regular note, click the New List option. You can then add items one by one and check them off as tasks are completed. Google Keep also allows you to customize your notes. Click the color palette icon to change the note's background color and make important notes easier to identify. You can also add labels to organize notes into categories. To do this, click the More Options menu and select Add Label. Enter a label name and apply it to your note. Another useful feature is reminders. Click the reminder icon and choose a date and time. Google Keep will notify you when it's time to review the note. You can also add images to notes by clicking the Add Image button. This is helpful for saving screenshots, photos, or visual references. To keep important notes at the top of your workspace, click the Pin icon. Pinned notes remain visible above your other notes for quick access. If you need to find a note later, use the search bar at the top of Google Keep. You can search by keywords, labels, colors, or other details. Once you've finished creating and organizing your notes, simply close the note. Google Keep automatically saves everything to your Google account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Google Keep for notes. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google productivity tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.